Phew. You know what, guys? That's a long way to walk. Jesus Christ. Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is VivaJ14, and today, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm doing service right now, so I'm almost done. And I just want to make this video real quick saying welcome. I am 21 years old. I'm an installer, helper. And if you guys want to join the journey of me doing the installs and looking at views like this, you know, please subscribe to the channel if you want to know what's going on with my life, really. This is the first video of HVAC vlogs, so if you guys like the content or video, really, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, adios.